Once Australians decided that we no longer wanted to walk through the laundry to get to the back garden, we pulled out the rear wall and began experimenting with new ways to get the most out of our outdoor spaces. Dean Herald has been at the forefront of this evolution, creating luxurious outdoor pavilions, which are changing the way we entertain our family and friends.
The outdoor pavilion is actually just an extension of what we used to have. We used to have the old pergola with a bit of shade cloth, and now we've got these external spaces with kitchens, dining, lounge. They've actually become a great interactive space.
So how do you work with families to come up with this beautiful design?
Look, it's just all about listening. Those first appointments are so important, just to be able to learn about the family when they have a barbecue, who turns up, how many people, get that wish list, and then when you go through the design process, I'm trying to create a space where I can pick up the whole family and their friends and then put them in that space and let it work. So come on through this way, we'll head across the steppers. Beautiful hot spa, again with that view, and the spa's really well connected to this outdoor living space, which is just fantastic. You've got to get things right when it comes to sizes. Things are either too big, too small, you pull a chair out, you bang into a wall. You've got to have a really good sense of scale in the design process.
What I love about this space is you've created all these lovely zones.
Yeah, well that's where that flow really works as well. So you've got all these areas that are well connected and they do flow seamlessly, but they sit individually at the same time.
Dean, how do you use water in your landscapes?
We use water often as a tool in the design to actually bend and twist throughout the architecture and interact with the different spaces that we're trying to create. It gives you that element of movement and sight and sound, and I find everyone's connected with water. So you've got this amazing outdoor living space that connects so well with this outdoor kitchen, and the kitchen gets to enjoy all of this view. The thing I love about outdoor kitchens, we behave in them very differently. They become interactive. You know, things have evolved over time. The way we cook, the type of food we have, and that's introduced outdoor pizza ovens and many other ways of actually cooking outside, which we all love to do.
There must be something very rewarding about creating these luxurious spaces, knowing that they're going to provide hours of relaxation, entertainment and barbies. No doubt they'll go a lot later than they used to.